looks outside, and Wurkkos HD01. Welcome back to Flashlight Tech, where we dive into lumens, runtimes, beam shots, and all things flashlight related. Today's guest, Wurkkos HD01, a compact 3-in-1 light with floodlight, spotlight, RGB, and even green laser. Built tote, packed with features and priced right. Let's check out what's in the box and see what this little guy is all about. We have the box, the flashlight itself, we have user manual, we have beefy charging cable, USB-C, and we get lanyards. With this one, UI is a bit more difficult, and you have two buttons, front and back. So back, one press turns it on. If you hold, you have moonlight, and if you hold when it's on, switch modes, it has memory, double click turbo, 3 clicks strobe, and 4 clicks after it's off. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's locked. 1, 2, 3, 4. Unlocked. Now the front button. 1 click is laser. Then hold is RGB, and hold again to ramp to switch colors. It's quite slow. 2 clicks flashing. Turn it off. 2 clicks floodlight. It's white LED. And hold front button to cycle modes. 3 clicks RGB. 2 clicks to change RGB modes. 4 clicks, lock and lock. And 5 clicks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's breathing on buttons, on or off. It's off. It's now breathing. And that's it. That's the UI. Now runtime graph. Nothing special here. Not stabilized brightness, and runtime is only 1 hour. Now we have hardware store light and Wurkkos HD01 on turbo. Here's the comparison. Much brighter and very usable still. Let's go to the next one. Now we have Convoy S21B and Wurkkos HD01. This one, Convoy, is warmer tint and brighter, not brighter, the wider spill. This one is narrower and colder tint. Let's go to the next one. Now we have SR12 and Wurkkos HD01. I see that air is not very clear. There are some particles or something. Dust in the air. This one is better as a thrower. This one has EDC light. Yeah, this one has not much spill. This one has spill. Let's go to the next one. And the last one is Convoy S21F and Wurkkos HD one. This one lights everything around. This one breaks for the distance. That's it. Now real world usage of Wurkkos HD01. This is Eco. This is first mode, second mode. We have 3 modes and turbo. My roses. This is turbo. Yeah. This is how it looks outside. And now we have 2 presses for flood, and this is the maximal mode. As you can see, good for walking. Let's go inside. This is without, and this is with. Here's another room. And let's see upstairs. Very nice light for indoor usage. And we are now outside with Ira. Here's how it looks. This light. and turbo on this one. This is spot. And that's it. In my opinion, Wurkkos HD01 offers solid value for the price. You get versatile 3-in-1 EDC light with a magnetic tail in a compact form. My only real concern is that non-removable battery, but if that's not a deal breaker for you, it's definitely worth a look. If this was helpful, hit like, subscribe for more flashlight content, and see you next time in the next review.